Okay, this is the final result. This is how it looks in the motorcycle. This is mine Suzuki Vstrom 650 DL. I think it's a big top case, but I think it's not too big for this bike. It looks like quite balanced. First unscrew these two main ones. You place this one here and these two big ones, then you place these two small cylinders and they get aligned. Then you place this plate. So here you will need a number 5 and you'll need a number 4, like this. So here, nothing more. Now I will put a plate under to start screwing. This one is easier. We need to be careful that we need to put this over here, and look, under this you have a plate, and under this one you put the second plate. And this. Okay, so after you need to place this board. The small size fits just right for the plates, and the plates came already. You just need to screw them. After all the screws are tight, it should look like this under. To close this, I placed these two first, then this one, and I left the last one here on the top to bend a little bit this part for this last one to enter. First to place over there, the end, it goes pretty easy, and then you need to open the under one, this one, you pull and you do stronger down. Then you hear a pop, and okay, it fits two full helmets, not the adventure ones, but yeah, in this position they fit and they close us pretty well. So for this job you will need the 10mm hexagonal, and you need this number 5 and number 4 and a Phillips screwdriver.